on birthday daw. Happy birthday!
Pakitanggal na yung mic doon. Pakitanggal na. Yung isa.
Okay na yun?
Mommy, say something, please.
Lan,
Yan.
I wish that you grow up to be well-disciplined and obedient son to us. And I also hope you, I wish that you stay sweet to your mom and your dad and to all your lolo and your lola and your ninong, sinangs, and titos and titos.
I wish you grow up like your lolo.
Oh, Lolo, come here, say something. Come here, Lolo, please. Come here.
Ayan, si Lolo dumag...
Oh, let's listen to what the grandfather has to say. Oh, you talk to Lance over there. He's on the phone right now. Hello, Lance. Hello.
And you're a very lucky person. You're loved by everybody.
Lolo, baka mapasok. Sandali lang, ha? Masaya na ang birthday, huwag na palokot eh.
And I wish that you grow up a responsible person, like your parents.
Unlike.
I love you now.
Alright. Palakpakan naman natin. Anyone else? Anyone else? Lola, Lola. Okay, let's hear it from the Lola. Lola. Nasaan ang Lola?
Lola Lin.
Lola Lin.
Lilang.
Lola Lilang. Nasaan na pa siya? Ah, eto na siya. Akala ko kung sino yung tumatakbo siya. Akala ko yun, lumabas kasi tumatakbo siya. Yung naka-face painting
Hans
pa.
ka rin daw doon sa taas.
Ay, good evening po. How are you up there? Salamat po. Darating po kayo sa ganitong panahon. Good luck na lang sa'yo, mapanitili mo yung book mo. Unahan lang yan. Okay, sino po pong sasalita? Nag-thank you na po ba kayo sa lahat? Parang, lapit po kayo dito, Lola. Huwag po kayo mahiya. Nag-concert po kayo?
Standing ovation.
Oh, ano pa kinanta nyo?
Dami.
National anthem. Okay, standing ovation nga. Okay, Lola, say something please.
Dan, sana, huwag kang huwag ka na lang magkaroon ng asthma. Tulad ni Mami. Yun na lang hinihiling ko. Good health. Maging good boy. Kiss. Oh.
Last to say thank you. Just take Lola kasi, you give the microphone Lola to Lance.
Oo, tinyo. Pakit mo na sa Lola. Pakit.
Oh, ano ba yung mga talent nila?
Pakit mo na sa Lola. Ayun na.
Oh, pakit daw muna.
Pakit
Oh, close open. Wow! Oh, close open. Lola, close open. Marunong na? Close open, close open.
Strong muna, strong.
Strong.
Strong. Strong muna, strong. Dali. Ako inaantok.
Inaantok na.
Strong, strong.
Okay, roll over. Marunong na, di ba? Hi, Lance. Everybody shout happy birthday, Lance. Did you say thank you to everybody now po? Okay, ayan, nag-thank you na po sila. Ako rin po mag-thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Vicky Bello. Okay.